guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a collection with Hot Wheels. Let's check out these playsets that we have. We have a special Hot Wheels art cars. Wow, it's got some graffiti art all over it. And I love the rainbow hubcaps. This is Rocket Box. Next we have this Hot Wheels playset. This is Earthquake Alley. Got to escape the tumbling city. Oh no, watch out. This set comes with a cool blue and orange car. We also have a really fun launcher. The launcher is also a rolling vehicle. Check out this really cool diesel rig launcher. There's a falling building. There's a brick arch. There are even crumbling girders. Raised past the toppling building. Blow by the arch. Crash through the girders. What a fun playset! Our next playset is the Car Crusher. This comes with 5 really neat cars included. There are 5 action zones. Let's check them out. We have a working crane. There's a car crusher. We have lots of vehicle storage. There's also a service shop. Wow, this set looks like lots of fun. Next we have the Sky Base Blast. This is a secret missile launcher. It comes with this really cool orange sports car. Flip the helipad. Launch the missile. There's a control tower. The helipad converts into missile launch. Launch the missile. There's also a really fun ramp. This can connect to other sets. Finally, we have this Hot Wheels Speedwinders. This is the Torque Twister. This is part of STEAM. Science, technology, engineering, art, and math. We get to experiment with rubber band power. There are 10 rubber bands included. Wind it. Race it. You can also combine with the twisted cycle and go for the ultimate speed record. Open the engine canopy to add rubber bands. Crank up the power. You can customize by adding extra rubber bands. It's got working steering. It works with almost any rubber band. There are also lots of other vehicles available. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.